All right, Luis, let's go for a test drive. Let's go. All right. All right, Luis, this is a very exciting day as our certified product specialist, Luis, is going to give us an in-depth tour of the all-new, brand new, totally redesigned 2021 Nissan Rogue. So Luis, introduce yourself.
How you doing, guys? My name is Luis. I've been with the Pens organization for 6 years now. Great company to work for. Pretty proud to be here.
All right. So we're gonna go cruise on this brand new 2021 Nissan Rogue. So how do it work this thing?
So actually, that's one of the new features that Nissan came up with. Very simple. This little knob right here on the side. If you press this knob and just hold it down, you press down when you have the foot on the brake.
Okay, gotta put my foot on the brake. Got
yes,
it.
sir. If you hold this down and press down, it'll go to drive.
Wow. All right. All right. I gotta get my heated seats on because it's like 10 degrees outside.
Yep.
All right.
You have 3 different modes for your heated seats. You got high, medium, and low.
Perfect.
Right here, right next to the auto and on-off switch is the heated steering wheel. So you can turn that on as well.
Perfect. It's a really big screen.
It is. So that's going to be our new 8-inch screen on the Platinum Edition. Basically, you'll be able to control all your features on this screen with your navigation, your Bluetooth, your Sirius XM radio, which, by the way, you get for free for 4 months.
Nice.
This is an SL.
This is an SL. And
Yep.
the SL comes with the screen?
Yes.
Perfect. All right. So let's. And one last thing. What is this?
This is also new. You have a few different options. Basically, you'll be able to control the traction of the vehicle. So you have sport mode, snow mode, eco-friendly, and you have normal as well.
All right.
So just really depending on the way the weather is outside.
Yeah.
You know, if you want to be an eco, it's more efficiency for gas.
Yeah.
If you ever get stuck or there's a lot of snow or slushy,
Yeah.
you can always go to snow mode and it kind of just distributes the power to the tires so it can get you a nice little smooth ride.
Wonderful. And I see all the knobs in the steering wheel. It looks like you have your volume and your Bluetooth. What is this blue little thing here on the steering wheel?
So for the intervention, basically it's for your Pro Pilot Assist. So if you turn that switch on, what it does is it monitors basically the vehicle in the lane. So for lane intervention. So if you were to drive and you were kind of just driving back and forth, and it'll keep you inside the center lane.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Fantastic. Well, let's get this thing let's cruise.
Yeah.
Push this down. All right, let's go.
Yeah.
It has pretty good pickup. This blue Pilot Assist, is that what you call that?
Right.
Tell me a little more about what that means.
So what it does is...
So is it driverless technology?
Not 100%. You know, what it will do for you is it will monitor the vehicle ahead of you.
Okay.
Not only that, it will also monitor the vehicle ahead of that vehicle.
Wonderful.
So the vehicle that's ahead of you will recognize that the car is ahead of them. Slams their brake. Your car will recognize it before the car is ahead of you first.
Got it.
So it will actually slow down, or else it will also automatically brake for you as well.
So, like I said, this is the brand new redesigned 2021 Nissan Rogue.
Correct.
What is the difference between the 20 and the 21 besides the design on the outside?
Pretty much everything, you know. I gotta give it props to the design. The designs are beautiful. They made it very aerodynamic, a very smooth, comfortable ride. I mean, they just went all out on the vehicle as far as advanced technology. Everything's up to date now. You know, where Nissan has done a very good job with keeping ahead of, you know, all the modernized technology nowadays.
That's great. That's great.
You do have memory seats on here, so both of you and your significant other will be able to drive the vehicle and set the seats to your liking. You also get 2 key fobs where you have the standard remote start on there as well. No, but honestly, they did a very good job on this redesign vehicle.
Yeah, it's super nice so far. I mean, I've only gone like 20 miles an hour, but I mean,
You know, one of the
so far it's comfortable. I love the two-tone colors here. It's really nice. The sunroof is super big.
One cool thing that I like of it is something subtle, but it's pretty neat. The SOS button.
That's what I was going to ask you to explain.
Yeah, the SOS button now is actually, before you press it and to get the automatic system up. But now you actually press it and then press it again so you don't accidentally actually hit the button.
This is kind of cool. Big storage there too, huh?
Yep, so it's a split opening. So now the passengers in the back will have access to it. So unlike before, instead of actually opening in the center, they can just do that and it opens down the middle.
Really nice. All right, let's put this in reverse, Luis.
Yep.
And let's talk a little bit about what we're looking at, okay?
All right.
So I got to push this up, okay?
Yep, it's the same way you will put it in drive, but instead of you push the button and you will put it in reverse, up.
Got it.
So what we're looking at here is basically our 360 view camera. You'll be able to see basically the entire vehicle from the front to the back to all sides, as well as when you're backing up. Tells you exactly how far you're turning, where you're going to be at, as if you keep on going all the way back. It's even, this is very, very accurate. I mean, it's to the inches of how far you are from a vehicle or how far you are.
Turn the steering wheel, and boom, it turns. It's great.
And then once that orange line disappears, if you want to turn this way, that means your vehicle is straight now.
Got it.
Alright, so one cool feature that we have now is it also has the kick. You gotta have the key fob with you at all times. The car does have to be locked. And all you will do is a nice little swift kick. Oops. And step back, and the doors will open. You can close it by holding down the button here on the key fob. Close it by pushing this button here. Or you can do the kick again, step back, and it shuts down for you as well.